Hi friends, continuing from the last tutorials, in this session we are going to study what is variable function. So let us start with variable function. So let me first define what is variable function. So if a variable name has parentheses appended to it, then PHP will look for a function with the same name as whatever the variable evaluates to and will then attempt to execute it. So in this way, the PHP supports variable function. Variable functions does not work with language constructs such as echo, print, unset, isset, empty, include, require, and the like. Now let me take one example of variable function. So say suppose if I create a function like function test1 and I will just display the message that you are in test1 function. Similarly, I'll create one more function with argument. So say suppose I'll create function test2 with argument. So default argument I will just keep single quote and otherwise I'll just display here that in test2 argument was and I'll display the argument that the user has provided. So by default, it will give single quotes, otherwise whatever the user has given. So now let me define one variable called as func and I will assign it first the name of the first function test1. Okay, and then here I'll write func two parentheses semicolon. So as was the definition of variable function, so parentheses are appended to the variable name. So this will call test1 function. Similarly, you can assign test2 to it and I will again call it, but this time I'll pass it one parameter. So here I will pass the parameter testing. So this will call second function test2. So here I have passed the parameter and say suppose now again I am trying to call this function test2, but now this time I will not pass it any arguments. So again this will call test2 but here without any arguments. So let us save this and give the name variable function dot php. Now let us go to our browser and run this. So here you can observe here, okay, there is one error on line 5. So let us go to line number 5. So okay, I forgot to put here semicolon. So save this and again run this. Okay, undefined variable arguments on line 8. So here, okay, instead of args, I think we have to write here arg. Okay, because here I have declared arg. So save this. So see here the output. So first time it called test1. Second time when argument was passed, it printed the message that it is in test2 and argument passed was testing. Second to no argument was passed, so the default argument two single quotes are displayed. So this is how the variable function works.